Let's talk custom. Traditionally, your options for headwear were pretty limited. You take a hat off the shelf, it's got a blank front panel, there's nothing on the inside, limited embroiderable area, typically 2 by 4 inches. Sometimes you can add a patch, sometimes you can add embroidery. What we consider custom at Anthem Branding is we're building from the ground up. We build in panels, so you have the opportunity to choose your fabric, your decoration method, so we can do custom woven labels, custom woven patches, embroidered patches, 3D puff embroidery, sonically welded rubber labels. Sky's the limit on the decoration. You wanted this panel to be one color and this panel to be another, we can do it. You also have the ability to add flag labels on the back. All of the interior custom taping can be added with your branding and your messaging. And of course, your own private label, and we can even add a QR code under the care and content that can drive people to your website. Now, this can be elegant and simple, or we can get really loud and creative. So here's an example for SoulCycle where they wanted a distressed vintage look. So we went down to the embellishment on the brim, to the distressing on the brim. We added an old school embroidered patch, the 5-panel with a rope, and then we added the fabric stripes here, private woven flag label on the back, and then all the interior taping, and topped it off with the SoulCycle label on the inside. So at Anthem Branding, we really prioritize what you want. We try to understand the ethos of your brand and then make suggestions in collaboration with you to get the ultimate hat that expresses your brand. We'd love to have a conversation with you to talk about all the ways we can help you create the ultimate custom hat.